Hello, good morning.
Hello, good electric service. How can I help?
I want to ask about fan repair service.
No. Sure. What seems to be the problem with your fan?
My fan is slowly when it spins, and sometimes it makes strange noise.
I see. How long has this been happening?
Around a week. At first it was normal, but now it's getting worse.
Okay. Usually problems like that are caused by dust, a weak motor, or damaged part inside the fan.
Oh, I understand. Do you think it can still be fixed?
Yes, most likely. We repair many problems like that.
That's good. So, what will you do during the repair?
First, we check the cable and the switch. Then we clean the inside parts and inspect the motor. If there are damaged parts, we replace them.
Alright. Please inform me first before replacing anything.
Of course, we always confirm with the customers before adding an extra cost.
Okay, thank you. How long will the repair take?
Usually about 1 to 2 hours, depending on the condition of the fan.
And how much is the service?
Basic service costs 50,000. Extra parts may increase the price a little.
That sounds fine. Do you provide a warranty?
Yes, we give a 1 week warranty for the repair.
Great. Can I bring my fan this afternoon?
Yes, of course. Our service center is open until 5 p.m.
Alright, I will come this afternoon then.
Okay, we will be waiting for you.
Thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.